Good morning, everyone. Today I am going to present a speech on software engineering, focusing on the following topics: course outcome, understanding software engineering concept, size factors, quality factors, and project planning. Unit overview: software engineering, size factor, quality factors, productivity factors, project planning. These concepts are important for developing successful software system that meet user requirements efficiently. Introduction to software engineering. Software engineering is the application of engineering principles, methods, and tools to develop and maintenance of software. It involves a systematic and disciplined approach to design, developing, testing, and maintaining software. The definition is software engineering is the process of building software that is reliable, efficient, maintainable, co-effective. Importance: software engineering helps reduce development cost, improve software quality, meet customer requirements, complete project on time. Need for software engineering: managing complex and quality and maintenance. Example: banking software, hospital management system, online shopping application, educational portal. Today, almost every industry depends on software engineering. Characteristics of good software: correctness, reliability, efficient, and usability. Software development changes: complexity, changing requirement, and cost constraint. And size factor refers to the size or scale of software project. The size of software affect development effort, cost, and completion time. The measurement of software size is size can be measured using lines of codes, function points, number of modules. Importance of size factors: it helps essential project cost, assist in manpower planning, determines project complexity, support project scheduling. Larger software projects generally require more resources and development time. Quality factors: attributes determining software qualities. Good quality software is reliable, secure, and easy to use. Major quality factors are correctness, reliability, efficiency, usability, maintainability, security, portability. And the importance is quality software increase customer satisfaction and reduce maintenance cost. Productivity factor. Productivity factor influence the efficiency of software development. Productivity measures how much work is completed within a given time. People factor: skill and experience and team. Team skills, development tools, project complexity, work environment, technology factors. Planning a software project. Planning project is the process of defining project objectives, resources, schedules, and activity before development begins. It is one of the important phase of software development. Objective of project planning is complete the project on time, stay within the budget, allocate resource effectively, reduce project risk. Steps in project planning: requirement analysis, resource planning, cost estimation, scheduling, risk management, and monitoring. The importance of project planning is improve project control, reduce uncertainties, ensures effective resource utilization, increase project success rate. A well-planned project is more likely to be completed successfully. Software development lifecycle. Planning and organization structure. Define team roles and responsibilities. Software project team structure, project manager, analytics, developers and tester. Communication and coordinations ensures effective teamwork and reporting. Benefits of organizational planning improve productivity and accountability. In real life example, consider developing a college management system. Software engineer design and develop the system. Size factor estimate the number of modules and admissions, attendance and examination. Quality factors ensures accuracy, reliability and security. To conclude, software engineering provides systematic approach to software development. Software engineering is a disciplined development process